In this lecture, we will explore the role of storytelling in leadership, why it is a vital tool for effective communication, and how it differs from everyday conversation. Leaders who master storytelling can inspire, influence, and connect with their teams meaningfully. We will also examine real-world examples of leaders who have successfully used storytelling to drive change and motivate people. Objectives of this lecture. In this lecture, you will learn the meaning of storytelling in leadership and its significance, how storytelling differs from everyday communication, examples of successful leaders who use storytelling effectively. What is storytelling in leadership? Storytelling in leadership is more than just telling anecdotes. It is the strategic use of narratives to communicate vision, values, and purpose. Effective leaders use storytelling to build connections, simplify complex ideas, and inspire action. Unlike data-heavy presentations or directives, stories engage emotions, making messages more memorable and persuasive. People tend to remember stories far better than raw facts or statistics. When a leader tells a compelling story, it creates trust, fosters engagement, and strengthens organizational culture. How does leadership storytelling differ from everyday communication? Storytelling in leadership is intentional. It serves a purpose, whether it is to motivate a team, establish a shared vision, or encourage change. Everyday communication, in contrast, is often casual and lacks a structured narrative. Here's how leadership storytelling stands apart. Structured and purposeful. Leadership stories follow a framework, setting, conflict, and resolution to deliver a clear message. Emotionally engaging. Stories evoke emotions that drive people to act. Unlike casual conversations, leadership storytelling is designed to connect on a deeper level. Persuasive and inspiring. Instead of merely relaying information, leadership stories influence perception, reinforce values, and drive decision-making. Examples of leaders who use storytelling effectively. Several well-known leaders have mastered the art of storytelling. Let's look at a few examples. Steve Jobs, storytelling for innovation. Steve Jobs did not just introduce Apple products, he told stories of innovation, creativity, and human-centered technology. He used storytelling to make technical advancements accessible and exciting. His 2005 Stanford commencement speech, where he shared personal struggles and triumphs, remains one of the most inspiring leadership narratives. Barack Obama, storytelling for connection. Obama's speeches are rich with personal anecdotes that build trust and connection. His 2004 Democratic National Convention speech showcased his ability to connect with diverse audiences by sharing his background and vision for the country. Oprah Winfrey, storytelling for influence. Oprah Winfrey built an empire through storytelling. Her journey of overcoming adversity made her brand authentic and relatable. By sharing personal challenges, she created deep emotional bonds with her audience, establishing credibility and trust. These leaders prove that great storytelling can inspire action, instill confidence, and build strong communities.